State the Stokes theorem. Stokes theorem gives the relation between line integral and surface integral. It states that the surface integral of the component of curl of any function, say f, along the normal to the surface S, taken over the surface S bounded by the curve C, is equal to the line integral of the vector point function f taken along the closed curve C. The mathematical expression of the Stokes theorem is where f vector is the vector function, S the surface of an object, dr vector the position vector, and n cap the unit normal vector. To understand this theorem, let's take an example of a plate kept on a table. Let the surface of this plate be S, bounded by a closed curve C. Let's assume that a continuous vector function m is acting on the surface of this plate. We know that a unit normal vector, say n cap, is also acting on the surface of this plate. Thus, the surface integral of the curl of function m along the normal vector n cap will be, and the line integral of the function m along the closed curve C will be. Now, according to Stokes' theorem, both these expressions will be equal. Related terms are question. Remember keywords. Related terms are remember diagram. Remember definition.